Here we have a graph that shows U.S. government receipts and outlays for 2001 to 2012. The blue graph is receipts in billions of dollars, and the red line is the outlays. For the first question, we want to list all the years when receipts exceeded outlays. So this is when the blue line is above the red line. And that only happened once right here, and that was in 2001 to about halfway of between 2001 and 2002. So between 2001 to 2002, that's where that occurred. When was the greatest one-year drop in receipts, and what was that amount? So we can see the receipts drops down, and we're looking for the steepest drop. So that looks like it occurs right here, and that's from about 2008 to 2009. So those are the years when the greatest one-year drop occurred. Now the amount of that drop in 2008, it was up at about 2,600. And then in 2009 it was down to about 2,100, and so if you subtract that, that's going to give you the slope there, so about 500. So about $500 billion would have been the amount of that drop. Okay, so now let's look at the next question. Identify when the greatest one-year rise in receipts was, and what was that amount. So here we're looking from year to year. When did we have the steepest trend going up? So from 04 to 05, 05 to 06. Those are the two that we really want to compare and look at. And then we also have 2010 to 2011, we had an increase as well. So if it's unclear, you can always just compare individual years and kind of look at the distance and subtract. So from 04 to 05, it looks like it was about 1,800, and then it stopped up at about 2,200. So 2,200 minus 1,800 is going to give you $400. From 05 to 06, it's at about 2,200 up to 2,400. So you can already discount that as being a sharper rise. From 06 to 07, it's from 2,400 to just going up about $200. So the steepest is definitely 04 to 05. And the amount of that was about $400 billion. Next question, in what years did receipts appear to climb faster than the outlays? So the outlays have a pretty steady rise across the board, but the trend, if you compare the slopes, you're looking for the blue line to be steeper in its rise, and so that occurs here when we compare. You can see that it's going up a lot steeper than the red line's going up. They're both going up, but that one's definitely got a higher increase. So in what years did receipts appear to climb faster than outlays? That looks like it's from 2004 up through 2007, because we also had like a decrease there. So you could say 2004 to 2007.